In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Miro, the collaborative online whiteboard platform. Updating your profile picture can personalize your experience and make it easier for your collaborators to recognize you. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Miro.com. This is the main webpage for Miro, where all your collaborative whiteboarding magic begins. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the upper right corner to find the login button. Give it a click and you'll be transported to the login screen. Now, you have a couple of options for signing in. If you already have an account with Miro, you can either enter your email and password or opt to log in with your Google account. Choose the option that's most convenient for you. For this tutorial, let's go with the standard email login. So find the button that says continue with email and click on it. With your credentials in hand, it's now time to officially sign into your Miro account. After signing in, you're going to land on your dashboard, which is kind of like the command center for all your boards and projects in Miro. With the dashboard in view, take a look at the upper right corner of the web page. This is where your account icon resides. Click on your account icon, usually marked with your initials if you haven't set a profile picture yet. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to select Profile. Now you're in your profile settings, the place where all your personal account details can be managed. It's here that you'll find the option to change your profile picture. Look for the button labelled Upload. This is your cue to select a new photo. Once you click that, a file dialog box will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your computer's files. Find the photo you wish to use as your new profile picture. It's a good idea to choose a picture that is professional yet personal enough to represent you. When you've made your selection, double-click the image or select and open it. Miro will now upload your chosen image and set it as your new profile picture. This process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed and the size of the image you're uploading. But once it's done, your new profile picture is officially active and ready to represent you across Miro's collaborative boards. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully updated your profile picture on Miro. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how you're perceived by your teammates. Thanks for following along and happy collaborating in your newly personalized Miro space.